Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And wait, where are we? All I did was use the bathroom and I teleported to some kind of construction site. That's weird. Hey guys, today we're playing the Escape the Construction Site Ollie. Let's get to it. We need to get out of here. The construction site is falling apart and everyone is getting injured. Well, I can see where they're getting injured, but how in the world could they get injured by paint? Be reasonable, people. Oh. Don't fail. Guys, I'm good at obbies, believe me, but I don't know how good at obbies I am. Wow. I'm gonna be here all day, guys. Trust me. Wait, maybe we can go in this paint can. Can I move? Oh my god, I can. The easiest way to get across, guys. Use life hack way. Only if there is a paint can. There's none in this row either. My jump is like kind of delayed. Yes, we did it. Let's go on to the next site. Wow, look at the size of these hammers. I would avoid falling into the tar. Oh, well, I didn't really avoid falling. Too big of a jump. It may not be a puzzle, but yeah, no. Climb up here. Gotta climb up here. Then we got to. Am I recording? Yeah, that's what I thought. Then I gotta climb up here. I'm gonna go here, and then we're gonna jump up here. Help me! Sorry that I'm going first. That just sounded plain right evil. I don't know if we're gonna get to the obby without crashing, but I'm gonna say it right now. Please subscribe and smash that subscribe button and smash that like button, and see you in the next video. It's not over, but I'm just saying. That little girl almost pushed me. She's like so. How? Oh, I don't understand. My brother. Super Smart 21726. These are your channel. He never posts really any videos, so just don't watch them. Don't subscribe to him. Subscribe to me. I'm better than him. Oh, wait. Ugh, help. Too bad, lad. I'm going on my own and this time. No, that's extremely rude. I would help him, but I mean, this obby, you can't really help people. What? Excuse me? I should have won. There was no way I could have not won. Oh. Whoa, hey, that actually kind of looked realistic. You fell in there. Let's go over here. Yes. What? And then we're gonna jump over here. We didn't really have to jump. Almost died there. And jump. Good. Fat Pats, subscribe. Yeah, just subscribe to Fat Pats, guys. Awesome.
So I can have internet safety. I blurred my face, so nobody knows what I look like.
Ah. That was an easy way to get across. Jump.
Blur my face.
Made it. I think I made it.
Gosh,
Almost. Okay, guys. Oh, that is terrifying in there, that background. Ugh, I don't want to see that. I don't know anybody. Oh, and I died. I don't know if y'all can hear this, but when I die, I hear like an echo of another die, like the die signal. Yeah. How am I not dead? Oh my god, how am I not dead? Okay, well that's weird. almost died there. Ooh. What? I was standing on there. You guys saw it. I went through the roof. I'm not a giver upper. I'm not a cheater. So I don't cheat. Plus, I don't have any more Robux. So I probably would have already cheated, but. Oh my god, you guys saw that I won. Oh! Hack rape. Yes, I won. Finally, that took forever. Okay, well, I died.
3 people viewed my how to make my faster Roblox blocks bird.
That was me.
Yeah, but you can only view it once.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can.
No. I viewed mine like 7 times.
Did you really?
No. Yes, I viewed it a couple of times, and then Trevor
Nobody
viewed it.
liked any of my views except you. And you said something.
Yeah, go to my channel. Anyway,
So
back
go
to
to my
mine.
channel. It's called Roser BC. Who does that?
People, you wouldn't know the amount of people who do that. I am live. See to get a couple subscribers. Go over here, but no one probably cares. I mean, they're doing obby. They probably don't give a crap. They don't even care about my family and my life and help. What? Okay, guys, this game's shut down, so I guess we're not doing the construction site.